Okay, we are live. It's been a minute since I've done a live. It's been a minute. I'm going to wait for a few subscribers to jump in, and we need to find out what the heck is going on with the market. What is going on with the market? Because everything is looking green, but my portfolio is looking red. So let's talk about it. Once you jump on, just give me a hi in the chat so I know you are here. And we need to find out what is going on with the market. What is going on with the market? What is going on with my portfolio? And let's talk about it. You guys know I don't shy away from I can't even call it red days because it's not red. As you can see, the market is very, very much green. But yet, why do I still feel this type of pain? How you doing, Luke? How you doing, my brother? How you doing, Tom? How you doing, Linton? Appreciate you. Connor, hey, my brother, you're always passing through. A midnight. I appreciate you for dropping by. So David Mason, crypto is the future. You know what? Dogecoin is really getting on my nerves. All right. Dogecoin is getting on my nerves. Luke Parker, I'm green and red. But yeah, so my dividends portfolio is very much green, but my high growth, hyper growth portfolio is very much red. And that's me just being completely honest with you. So Dave said everything in this portfolio is red. Dave, this is why I'm doing a live today, brother. You're not the only one, all right? You're not the only one. This is why I decided let's do a live because the market is green, but why is my hyper growth portfolio in the red? Michael, appreciate you, brother. O'Neill, appreciate you. Yeah, I'm moving most of my funds to crypto. See, this is what's going on. So what Mid just said is what is going on right now. Everyone is jumping onto the crypto bandwagon, because crypto is obviously in it's in a bull market right now. But you have to remember, okay, it was just only a couple of weeks ago stocks were in a bull market. So, every bull market has a bear market. So if you're going to jump on crypto, all the best, I'm saying Godspeed, God be with you. You all right? But just remember that the crypto market, the bull run will eventually come to an end. And then what, you're going to jump on stocks? You've got to make a decision. What is for you? Is it stocks or crypto? And then to stick with it for the long term. All right. So yeah, Claude said the stock market is broken. It feels like that, bro. It feels like that. Mine's done. KTMC. Yeah, CBBT out. Look, Ash, to be honest, if you're holding pennies right now, this is not the market for pennies. And it's very clear because the Dow, you're looking at the Dow jumped 300 points to top 34,000 for the first time amid blowout economic data. Now, you're looking at that, and then you're looking at your penny stock portfolio. No, pennies are going to get absolutely crushed right now. Hey, Peter, how you doing, brother? Yeah, OTC. I know OTC right now. The OTC market is getting butchered in overall, to be honest. Hey, Peter, how you doing? What is happening with the market? Bro, this is what we need to find out, all right? This is what I'm jumping on the live stream. We need to figure out what is going on with the market. So, yeah, just reading your comments. Your crypto portfolio has never been better. I know, Michael, to be honest, I only had 3% of my portfolio in crypto, but the gains have been ridiculous to where it's now grown to 7% of my portfolio. It's insane. Don't sleep on Dogecoin. I can't take Dogecoin seriously. 30% red across the portfolio in total. Hang in there, bro. As long as you've invested in quality stocks, football fan, you'll be okay in the long run. Okay, so just Bitcoin, Ethereum. Yeah, so Michael, that's what I'm in. Actually, I've got a bit of ADA. But most of my crypto is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So mine's crap at the moment. CBBT, yeah, Alp. Again, pennies are going to get crushed. Okay, yep. I'm seeing all your comments flying in. So, guys, we need to figure out what is going on with the market. The Dow jumps 300 points, okay, but why is my portfolio in the red? Now, this might be for newbies. So, if you're new or if you already understand this, I apologize, but I do want to make this clear, okay? The Dow 30 should not represent, or you should not weigh your portfolio up against the performance of the Dow, okay? Because the Dow is only made up of 30 stocks, okay? And a lot of you guys, I know you came into the game, around December, late last year. So you're probably mainly invested in either two things, either hyper growth stocks or you're invested in penny stocks. Okay. So if you're in penny stocks, I can't help you right now. The penny stock market overall is absolutely abysmal. But if you've invested in high growth stocks, so you'll probably see none of your stocks makes up the Dow 30. So you have the American Express, Amgen, you have Apple. Maybe Apple might be in your portfolio. Boeing, you have Caterpillar, Cisco. I definitely am not in Cisco. You've got Chevron, Goldman Sachs, Home Depot, Honeywell, IBM. I'm not sure if anyone's in IBM. You got Intel, you got Johnson and Johnson, Coca-Cola, JP Morgan Chase, McDonald's. Is anyone in McDonald's? You got 3M, you got Merck. I think McDonald's is in my growth portfolio, but Microsoft, you got Nike, you got PG, Travelers, United Health, Salesforce, Verizon, Visa, WBA, so Walgreens, Walmart, Walt Disney, and Dow Inc. So if you're looking at the Dow, it's setting all-time highs. You're seeing headlines like this, and you're looking at your portfolio and you're thinking, what is going on? You need to realize if you're looking for hyper growth, you're not, or if your portfolio is based on hyper growth stocks, then weighing it against the Dow is not going to work. The Dow is setting all-time highs, but if you look at Cathie Wood's ARK Invest ETF, the ARKK, it's down 20% on the year. So her portfolio right now, the ARKK fund, is massively underperforming the Dow. To be honest, it's massively underperforming most of the indexes. But what is the ARKK fund made up of? You've got the likes of Palantir, you've got the likes of Tesla, you've got hyper growth stocks that make up this fund. And right now, hyper growth, aggressive growth companies are getting destroyed right now. So to weigh your portfolio up against the Dow, which is made up of McDonald's, Boeing, Caterpillar, Chevron, it's going to make you feel depressed. It's going to make you cry, if anything. But you need to face the reality that, look, you chose to invest in high growth, fast growing, innovative companies. Okay. And right now, innovation, it's not the market for it unless you're a buyer. Because if you are buying, then this is fantastic right now. You can pick up great companies at a great discount. But if you have no money to buy and your portfolio is in the red and you're seeing the market make all-time highs, don't let that get to you. All right. The worst thing you can do right now is to look at headlines like that the Dow jumps 300 points. You get upset and then you sell in the red. When in reality, this is a great time to buy. You need to double check your buy thesis, keep up to date with the companies, check the fundamentals. And if nothing has changed, but your stock is down, and if it's below your average, then you need to start topping up, because that's exactly what Cathie Woods and in the ARKK fund, they're taking advantage right now. They're not looking at the Dow. All right. They're not looking at the Dow and getting upset or depressed. They are taking advantage. So yes, Cathie Wood's ARKK fund is down 20%. Do you think she cares? I don't think she cares. I don't think she cares. If you're going aggressive, if you're being aggressive by investing in innovative, high growth companies like Palantir, I mean, even like Nano Dimensions got battered today. Yeah. You have to understand that there's going to be times where you're going to have great times, which Nano Dimensions went to the moon. But it's getting hit back down to reality. And you have to understand that this is just part of the game. All right. This is part of the game. Don't let headlines like this ruin your mood or get you upset. Just know that it's part of the game. Okay. And one thing I want to share with you as well is this statement from Bill Ackman. We probably all know Bill Ackman, the billionaire. He said, investing is a business where you can look very silly for a long period of time before you are proven right. Okay. That's what Bill Ackman said. Investing is a business where you can look very silly for a long period of time before you are proven right. How many people thought Kathy Woods was crazy? All right. When Kathy Woods first gave her Tesla predictions, she, way before 2020, she was saying, oh, it's going to reach 1500 a share. People are like, oh, Kathy Wood is crazy. Kathy Wood is crazy. And then 2020 came around, and Kathy Woods, her portfolio absolutely destroyed every single index. Like, so this was where it was, right? Okay, so this was the pre where are we? Yeah. So around here. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, let me cancel that. Yeah. So around this point, what? Let me come off the pen. Sorry, my bad, my bad. Wait, where are we? Where are we? Okay, good. So around this point, right? This was before the Roni crash. Okay. Up until that point, no one even cared what Kathy Wood had to say. No one gave a damn about Kathy Woods. And that's the honest truth. But look at what she did, right? Because she stuck with her guns, she invested in high growth, innovative companies. She outperformed the Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq. The portfolio grew what? 300%, right? From March 2020 to almost a year. Yeah, 18th of February 2021. She saw returns of 380, near enough 380%. Completely destroying the Nasdaq, the Dow, the S&P. But remember, she went through years where nobody cared about what she had to say. But look at it now. Now everybody wants to hear what Kathy Wood has to say, huh? Now Kathy Woods is saying Tesla's their bull and bear case. I think what their bull case is what was it $4,000 a share for Tesla. Bear case is 1,500, and their mid case is like 3,000. But now everyone thinks, okay, she might be right. Do you get what I'm saying? So you need to be able to understand what you're investing in, know what you own and why you own it, and also understand that investing is a business where you can look very silly for a long period of time before you are proven correct. Okay. So I just wanted to jump on just to reassure you guys that look, as long as you've invested in great companies like Palantir, okay, like Tattooed Chef, like BlackBerry, like, Celsius is up today. As long as you've invested in these high growth companies, that you've looked at the market, the industry is growing at double digit rates. This company also has a solid balance sheet, so there's no chance of them going bankrupt anytime soon. They've got a great income statements, great cash flow statements. I've said about industry, it's in a growing industry. Then you need to be able to take the downs with the good, because when it does eventually become good, you're going to see freakish returns where Kathy Woods saw 370% returns in a year, whereas every other ETF or the Dow or whatever just performed average. But now Kathy Woods, she's down what, 20% on the year, and people are thinking, oh my god, Kathy Wood, has she lost it, whatever. No, this is the sacrifice we have to go through if you are investing in high growth stocks, innovative stocks. Stand by your stocks, okay, and think long term. Okay, think long term. So that's what I had to say. Let me jump in the comments. Let's see what you guys are saying. Okay, Manny Ipman, what software? Yeah, okay, so Tom's answered. So that was Trading View. This is Trading View, and I've also downloaded Webull. So Webull, they do plan to come to the UK very soon, but at the moment, you can download the app and you can look at their charting software. You can get some level 2 information, but you can't buy or sell shares off Webull. So yeah, you can download it. It's free. It's available on Mac. Definitely check it out. Okay, so do we get an answer to what is wrong with the stock market? So Simon, that was it. That was pretty much it. I think right now, if you're comparing your portfolio to the Dow, which is setting all-time highs, and if you've invested in high growth companies, innovative companies like stocks that are in ARK Invest's ARKK fund, then you need to realize that there's nothing wrong with the market. There is absolutely nothing wrong with your portfolio, and stand by your portfolio, and also be prepared to look silly in times of downturns. Okay, so DSGT needs life support. Or DSGT, Drew, was actually one of the only greens in my portfolio. So there you go, right? There you go. So okay, Wood, not Woods. Kathy Wood. Kathy Wood. My apologies, David. Yeah. So are you going to load up on GoPro, Michael? No, I don't plan to load up on GoPro. I've already built my position. Where's GoPro right now? Yeah, where are we? Where are we? So GoPro was down for the day. My average in GoPro is $9. So I don't plan to load up on GoPro. No, that's my position's already built. CBBT will go bankrupt. Probably Ash. Probably. I mean, I don't think they're generating any revenue. The whole play with CBBT was the PKG merger, which looks like it was probably a scam now, if we're just being honest. But yeah, Tattooed Chef, Tesla, Unity will look cheap at these prices. Facts, Connor. I'm with you on that. I think Tesla, Unity, Tattooed Chef will definitely look cheap. I think Tattooed Chef. I mean, the market cap for Tattooed Chef right now is about to hit 1 billion again. Like that's ridiculous. But there you go. So yeah, David. Yep, Wood. So hey, Musa, appreciate you dropping by, my bro. Where are we? Where are we? Let's look at your chats. Let's look at your comments. So GoPro is dancing around your price alert. Yeah. So Michael, my average. I bought GoPro right. Initially, I got into GoPro around here right before earnings, and then the price dropped. So that was when the Nasdaq corrected for like 2 weeks in towards the late Feb. So I dollar cost averaged, Michael. I believed in my buy thesis for GoPro, and I got my average to about $9 right now. And yeah, sitting pretty in profit. Sitting pretty in profit. I can't complain. Kathy has said you want to be around the team for the future. Exactly. There you go. So debating whether now's a good time to start building my position. In GoPro, probably it's entirely up to you. Look at your buy thesis. I do think GoPro will double from here because the market cap. What's the market cap for GoPro? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. The GoPro stock. Let's have a look. I think the market cap right now, where are we? 1.73 billion. That's cheap as chips. I'm sorry. With the numbers GoPro are going to pull out this year, just from subscription numbers alone, this market cap of 1.73 billion is ridiculous. Okay, it's ridiculous. So debating with Simon, appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. Day-to-day price action shouldn't mean anything to investors, anyways. It's long-term trend. Yeah, exactly. But the problem is, Connor, obviously, back in the day when you read the books, Peter Lynch, they would have to ring up brokers to find out what the price is. Whereas now it's literally on our phone. We're getting notifications about the day-to-day price action. So you just need to either delete the apps, I think, to kind of avoid the day-to-day price action. But that's really where the mentality is. Do you get what I'm saying? When you're looking at the price every single day, if it's down, you're like, oh, day 50 of buying the dips. You're going to want to sell, because it's causing so much pain. But let me ask you a question. If you've bought a property, are you constantly looking at the price of the property you bought every single day? I'm sure most of you will probably say no. And that's how you've got to treat your stocks. They're assets at the end of the day, guys. When we're investing in these stocks, we are increasing our assets. We're investing in assets. So looking at the price every single day doesn't help. I mean, I've got properties. I don't look at the price of my properties every single day. Absolutely not. I'm not on Zoopla or Rightmove checking out how much this property costs today. Oh, my property's gone down 2% in value. Let me sell. It's not like that. You've got to treat your stocks as assets. Okay. Treat your stocks as you would property, I guess. TTCF is killing me. So, Sam, have you built your position in TTCF? I think right now TTCF is on a crazy discount right now. Let's have a look. What's the Hello, 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 hello. Am I still in? Apologies, guys. Apologies. I think we cut out. We cut out. Let's go there. Did we just cut out? Hello, am I back? Can you guys see me? Let me know if you can see me, guys. Sorry. Am I back? Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I apologize. I have no idea what happened there. But I'm back. Okay. Okay, we're back. Okay, and I'm back. All right. So we're talking about Tattooed Chef. We were looking at the share price. Is Tattooed Chef that bad? I typed in Tattooed Chef and then all of a sudden the live goes off. But yeah, we're back. Okay. So where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Okay, so have faith. Yeah, have faith, guys. Okay, remember, investing is a business where you can look very silly for a long period of time before you're proven correct. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, okay, cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Prettier than ever. So how are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? Like I said, for me personally, I know what I own and why I own it. Let's have a look at Tattooed Chef. That's what I wanted to check before. So Tattooed Chef has a market cap of 1.4 billion. So do you mean to tell me if Tattooed Chef right now continue to perform very well, you don't see this market cap doubling? All right. So I personally I can't see Tattooed Chef within the next 2 to 3 years not being worth double this market cap, in my opinion. All right. But that's my conviction. You need to have your own conviction in this stock. All right. So I'm going to answer a few more questions from you guys. So what do you think of Baba going into earnings? So personally, I sold my Baba. Okay. I sold my Baba last year during the whole Chinese delisting thing. I would probably say I got scared out of my position with Baba. The same thing with Neo. And I'll hold my hands up high, and say, yes, I did get scared out of Alibaba. I did get scared out of Neo. But I don't regret selling Alibaba personally, with everything still going on. But Neo, I do regret selling. But then again, just you need to know why you own it, know what you own and why you own it. And if Chinese delisting and the Chinese stocks scare you, then you need to not be in that company. So yeah, feeling good. I know in a few months I'll be swimming in profit. What about if you're not, Connor? Do you know what I'm saying? So okay, there's this perception that stocks will. I think people have been saying it in the Discord that stocks will improve by July. What if it doesn't? You remember that video I did where in the 1970s, between 1970s and 1980s, it was a 10-year bear market. You've got to be prepared for that psychologically, whereby, look, what if July comes and the market continues lower, or my stocks are continuing to be in the red? Does that mean you're going to sell? It doesn't mean, and especially if nothing's changed about the business. If the fundamentals and the financials have only gotten better, then you need to understand that in the long term, stocks will do well as long as the businesses behind them are doing well. That's what Peter Lynch teaches. So, yep. So, Ali, how you doing, brother? To the moon in a few years. I like that. The moon emoji in a few years' time. No pain, no gain. That's facts. David, you said it. Hello, David. How you doing, brother? Speculative stocks, but your views on BNG. So, okay, BNGO, I'm not bullish on. I BNGO, I don't know the genomic space well enough to want to add or buy BNGO. Bio nanogenomics, I don't understand the business. I don't understand the industry. And I think a lot of people invested in bio nano. If you're being honest, do you really understand genomics? Are you really invested in the company, or are you more invested in the share price? You need to look at yourself and be honest. If you're a bio nano genomics investor, are you looking at the share price, or are you looking at the company? All right. Whoa, a lot of messages came in quite late. I'm seeing them all now. Sorry if I missed your message, guys. Okay, so I'm trying to catch up. Okay, so you sold Neo at a nice yeah. So Musa, I sold Neo again. Obviously, in hindsight, yes, selling. I bought Neo in the 20s. I sold it at $50, and of course now Neo right now is getting battered. But I like the company. I do like Neo. Yeah, it's down quite significantly. Yeah, so yeah, in hindsight, I did sell Neo at a great price, but I sold it in fear. So I'm not going to say, oh, I was a genius or I timed the market, because I can't time the market. I panic and I panic sold. But I guess in this instance, panic selling actually actually paid off, I guess. So what is my take on skills? So skills, Efetobo, appreciate you, brother. So skills, I'm still doing. I did my research on skills. I'll be honest, and I know I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for this. I don't like the company. I don't like. I feel like okay, not that I don't like the company. I don't like the industry, the mobile gaming, because I feel like there's so many competitors in that space. Like, if I was to ask you, what is skills moats? What is their competitive advantage? I personally, when I was researching the company, I couldn't find a single competitive advantage that skill had over its competition, and that scares me. That scares me. And their market cap at one point was like over 10 billion. I felt skills was hype personally, but they do have they have good fundamentals, good balance sheet, good financials. But again, what's their moats? What is their competitive advantage? So that's my thoughts on skills. Speculative stock. Okay, so yeah, Banana I've answered. Easy to look back. Yeah, exactly, David. You're right. Easy to look back, bro. Easy to look back. So where are we? I'm trying to catch up. Okay, I feel I missed on the boat. So I feel I missed the boat on crypto. Um, I'll wait for it to drop. Okay, now Peter, question is, if crypto does drop, are you going to get in? Because I was having this conversation with someone. Someone's telling me, oh, they missed Bitcoin. It's now at $60,000, but they will buy Bitcoin if it was to drop to 30,000. Now the question is, for Bitcoin to drop from where it is to 30,000, it's going to lose half its value, right? For that to happen, it would probably take something catastrophic for Bitcoin to lose half of its value. Now, by that point, would you still really invest in Bitcoin? you know, because the price has dropped to 30,000, which is what you wanted, but maybe a catastrophic event has happened or occurred. Would you really still invest in Bitcoin? I don't think you would. I think a lot of people will be scared to do it. Hey Jay, how you doing, bro? How you doing? You're loading up on BNGO. Christian, I honestly, if you've got the conviction for BioNano, long-term conviction, and you understand genomics, then load the boat. Personally, I'm not smart enough to understand genomics, and I've got no shame saying that at all, and I'm not going to invest. So yeah, we're in the storm together. Stay strong. I'm in it, Bav. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. Okay, where are we? Tesla, Apple, Tattoo Chef, Powerhouse Energy, DCC, and yeah. So Connor's plugging his stocks right there. You sound like Warren. Hey, look, David, I read a lot of Warren's books. Where is it? Oh, I've got his other book right here. I'm reading the man's autobiography, right? I would. It's a bit thick. I can't lie. It's a bit thick. It's like a dictionary. I'm almost halfway through, but very, very good book about Warren. Highly, highly recommended. Just to understand the man. The man was a loner, So, am I still holding Zum? No, I'm out of Zum. I've sold out of Zum. I took my profits and I ran. I think them announcing the true former device ahead of schedule absolutely crushed the stock. Let's have a look at where Zum is right now. What? Wow. I did not know it's dropped sub $1. Well, there you go. They absolutely crushed the stock by announcing the true former device, the commercialization before schedule. And of course, as soon as the news came, everyone dumped the stock. So yeah, Zum, I've taken my profit. I'm out. Okay, so okay. Sell, buy. David's cracking me up. We bought it at 70 cents and sold at so Ali called BioNano at 70 cents back in January. An absolutely amazing call, and a lot of us banked, but it's not a long term for me. All right, so where are we? Okay, are you in Argo? Ash, I'm in Argo, but I've already trimmed my position. So with Argo blockchain, pretty much most of my initials already out. I have about 25% left of my profits in Argo. and I'll just leave it to run. So I don't have any of my own investment in Argo. So they can easily ban Bitcoin, and the value would therefore fall dramatically. So Musa just gave a great example there. If they were to ban Bitcoin, which I think India are banning Bitcoin or transactions in Bitcoin. If more companies start banning Bitcoin and it loses half its value, at that point, are you going to buy Bitcoin if it drops to $30,000? It's going to be very tough. Okay, I know we all say we want it cheaper, but if it does get cheaper, are you still going to buy? It's not going to get cheaper for no reason. There's always going to be a reason behind it. So any thoughts on Alp? So Alp, I only have profits left in play on Alp. To be honest, I'm not bullish on Alp long term. I invested, in anticipation of the Nasdaq uplisting, but it didn't even need to get that far. The stock went up to like $7, right? It went up to $8. Yeah, so I've pretty much I've bagged my profits in Alp, and I've moved on from that stock. So AMC, yay or nay? AMC. AMC, I haven't done much DD on AMC. I will be honest. The market cap currently is at 4 billion. AMC could make a very good recovery play if you are into recovery stocks. I do think, obviously, when cinemas come back and revenue starts flowing again, can make a good recovery play. But I'll be careful. I'm not sure what's the share price. Okay, so it's down since the pump, the short squeeze. So it's down quite significantly. Again, look at AMC's balance sheet. If they have a solid balance sheet, which I think they do, could be a great recovery play. But I'm focused on my innovative stocks and my high growth stocks that are down right now, and I'm just loading. I'm loading because a lot of people are now running to crypto. A lot of people are running to recovery. But I forgot who said it. But I think it was Warren Buffett or Benjamin Graham. One of them said, "Observe the masses and do the opposite." That's how you make the money. When you observe what the masses are doing and you do the opposite, they're the ones that usually win in the long term. So yeah. Yep. Where are we? Let's catch up. Brother Manny has read so many books. His head's doing a square. Oh, he's taking a piss. I'm coming for you, bro. But yeah, no, I definitely read. I would recommend The Snowball Effect. Great autobiography by Warren Buffett, probably the best investor of all time. Highly recommended, but it is a long read. It is a big read. So, okay. Hi, Emmanuel. What are your thoughts on Canaan Inc? I have not seen that company. Canaan Inc. What stock is that? I've not heard of that company before. Canaan is a China-based computer hardware manufacturer. Okay, so blockchain. Okay, blockchain. Right. I personally, I would look at their balance sheet. This is my first time hearing of this company, but I do think there are probably better options out there on the market. But again, that's just me going off just reading the description. I haven't checked the balance sheet or anything. If they do have a solid balance sheet, then of course, why not? The whole world will ban it. Governments. Do you really think so, David? I'm not sure. I think, the fact that Tesla is now allowing you to buy cars via Bitcoin, you're seeing a lot of these institutions, they now have Bitcoin on their balance sheet. I think if it was the case where the whole world will ban it, these institutions would know a lot more than we would. And why would they be putting their cash into Bitcoin? Okay. So I'm going to short Bitcoin. Ali, you're going to short Be careful, bro. It was nice knowing you. Okay, so Dave said he wants to add more Apple. Apple right now is dear though. Like, you've had so many opportunities to add Apple when it was cheap. Right now, you're trying to buy Apple at what? It's 52-week high. It's near enough. Near its 52-week highs. I would personally would want to see more of a discount. I like to buy it cheaper, so I would wait personally. But if you do feel like Apple, I guess if you're looking at Apple long term, it doesn't really matter. But yeah. Okay, so Corsair. So I actually, fun fact, I did my full due diligence on Corsair, and I have a small position on Corsair, but I'm looking to sell it ASAP. I am not bullish on Corsair whatsoever. And join my Discord. I shared my whole research about Corsair with my Discord members. But what is the share price doing now? Because I'm trying to get out of stock Corsair. Yeah, not too bad. My average in Corsair is $38, but it's a very small position. But after doing my full research, I am not bullish on this company at all. I feel like they're going to struggle this year and potentially next year as well. All right, let's have a look. One more. Let's have a look at a few more of your comments. I'm trying to. Okay, so APXT. I need to catch up on APXT, Chris. Stop asking opinions. Figure it out yourself. David is brutal. David is brutal. Okay, so wait, what is CLOBH? What is that? Is that a meme coin? Because meme coins have been going crazy recently. Yeah. Okay. Give us your best 5 books. Okay. So, number 1, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Okay. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Number 2, I'm actually reading this one right now again. Beating the Streets by Peter Lynch. Massive Peter Lynch fan, by the way. I don't know if you can see it. So, yeah. Peter Lynch, Beating the Street. Oh, snap. Number 2. Number 3 is 100 Baggers. Where is that? Oh, there. 100 Baggers by Christopher Meyer. That's number 3. Number 4. Oh, wait, there it is. Yeah. 100 Baggers. They're literally all by my side. This book, I have read this book 3 times now. I got it for Christmas. So this was my Christmas present to myself. And I've read it 3 times. Insane book. I love it. Number 3. Number 4 would be The Snowball Effect by Warren Buffett. That's number 4. And number 5, funny enough, I like this book, right? It's by Tony Robbins, Unshakable. Yeah, I've started reading this. It's really good. Funny enough, it's about the stock market. So yeah, Unshakable by Tony Robbins. Those are my top 5 books. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So I'm going to call. Why are you so? Okay, so I'm gonna call this an don't Dogecoin. Okay, so let me address Dogecoin before we go. All right, let me address Dogecoin. The price is going to the moon right now, and you've got the likes of Palantir. Where are we? CoinDesk. So bear in mind, okay, Palantir, a quality, solid company. It's down after hours right now. It was red on the day. Okay, had great. I felt like the double click event was good. Quality company, absolutely getting destroyed. But look at Dogecoin. Look at Dogecoin. I think in this situation, you have 2 choices. Either you cry or you laugh. And they say laughter is the best medicine. So when I look at Dogecoin and I look at Palantir, I just laugh. I just laugh. I just laugh. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just wanted to jump on and do a quick one with you guys. We hadn't done a live stream in about a couple of weeks. So thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, hold strong. And remember, don't compare yourself or don't look at these headlines and think, oh, your portfolio is doing rubbish. Just know that you've invested in innovative, high growth companies. And sometimes you're going to have down days like ARKK is right now, but just know in the long term, always think long term. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. End broadcast. Let's go.